In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs with long text. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your script, pick the right settings, and generate clear, natural narration without headaches. First, open ElevenLabs Studio. On the left side, you'll see a pinned navigation panel. From there, choose Text to Speech. This takes you to the workspace where you'll load your text, select a voice, and control how the narration sounds. Before you paste anything, open Settings. Start by choosing a voice that matches your project's tone, whether you want something conversational, authoritative, or warm. Think about your audience here. It helps you pick a voice that keeps listeners engaged. Next, prepare your text. Long text works best when it's well formatted. Use complete sentences, clear punctuation, and natural paragraph breaks. A good sample has commas, periods, and spacing that reflects how a person would speak. Avoid big walls of unpunctuated text. The AI will rush and misread. If your script is very long, consider pasting it in sections, a few paragraphs at a time, so you can review and adjust as you go. Choose a model suited for your use case. General models are great for most narration, while more expressive options can add nuance to storytelling. Then adjust stability. Higher stability keeps the voice consistent across long passages. Lower stability adds variation and emotion. For lengthy reads, a slightly higher setting often maintains flow without drifting. If your script includes another language or specific pronunciations, use language override so the model reads it correctly. Then set your output format. Pick the file type and quality your workflow needs. For example, a compressed format for quick sharing or a higher quality option for editing. Click into the prompt field, paste or type your text, and when you're ready, click Generate Script. Give it a listen. If something feels off, small tweaks to punctuation, paragraph breaks, or stability usually fix it fast. That's it, your long-form narration, ready to use.